everyone, I'm Carol Brailey of carolbrailey.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you an inside view of our online color analysis course, perfect for the do-it-yourselfer or anybody who wants to learn about color analysis and use it on their clients. Perhaps you're a makeup artist, hairstylist, etc. Or perhaps you just want to take a color analysis intro course. This is a perfect fit for that. So in the September timeframe of 2018, I launched a workshop page, and I worked in collaboration with the individuals who signed up to that workshop page to develop an online course. And I'm so proud of what we've created. And now we have created 5 steps to arrive at your color analysis results following the system of seasonal color analysis. So it is a proven, well-established process, seasonal color analysis is, and it builds off that. Usually color analysis, an in-person one, is 3 steps. I've added 2 steps to help the do-it-yourselfer or somebody who doesn't have the vast experience like I do color analysis really hone in on their results. And I'm really proud of what we created, and that's why I'm preparing this trailer to give you an inside look at the course and some of the footage we've got. So I hope you enjoy this trailer, and the link to the online course is in the video description below if you wanted to check it out. Have a fabulous day.